Halo everyone. Di sini saya mengerjakan tugas bahasa Inggris sesi 12 yang memilih topik. The topic that I took is the yang pertama, the importance of environmental conservation in today's society. Imagine this. In 2025, the global temperature will reach 1,5 Celsius, hotter than the pre-industrial era. For the year where in our had harvest, forest fires, and extreme storms are increasingly occurring. And this not just a story in another part of the world. Jakarta experienced a major flood in Maret 2025, which triggered by deforestation in the Ciliwung watershed. Jakarta air quality is often included in the unhealthy category for vulnerable groups. I am Abdulazaya Atabuan, and today I will tell you how environmental conservation is no longer an option, but an urgent necessity to ensure the sustainability of our life. Feel 1, environmental crisis facts. Let's take a look at the undeniable fakta. Yang pertama, according to UNEP, 100% of human activities depend on nature, from food, clean water to the air we breathe. With excessive exploitation, pollution, and land conversion have caused serious damage. Yang kedua, Indonesia faces 5 months urgent environmental problems this year. Air quality crisis in big cities like Jakarta. Yang kedua, mass deforestation in Kalimantan and Papua. Yang ketiga, Indonesia becomes one of the largest contributors of plastic waste to the sea. Yang keempat, climate change causes long droughts and major floods. Yang kelima, river pollution such as Citarum, which is heavily polluted. 3,6% of the world's coral reefs are crisis-condition, and Indonesia is one of the 10 most vulnerable countries affected by climate change due to rising sea levels. This fact shows environmental damage is not a threat to the future. It's the reality we're facing now. Di sini poin yang kedua, why is conservation important? Then why is environmental conservation so crucial? Ecological benefits. Conservation ensures that biodiversity is protected, to growth ecosystem balances, so that it is free from the threat of extinction. It protect endangered flora and fauna. Benefit for humans. Nature conservation is not only about maintaining flora and fauna, but also about protecting the future of humans. Without a healthy nature, we don't have. Poin pertama, clean water for drinking. Yang kedua, the air is worth breathing. Yang ketiga, safe food. Yang keempat, fertile land for agriculture. Economic benefits. The agriculture sector loses money because the planting cycle is disrupted by extreme weather, floods, landslides due to deforestation caused billions of rupiah in losses. Social benefit. Air pollution triggers and increases in asthma and bronchitis cases. For environmental quality directly affects public health. Halaman yang ketiga, real action that we can do. But knowing the problem is not enough. What can we do as an individual? Yang pertama, reduce the usage of disposable plastic. Bring your own bottles and bags. Kedua, energy saving. Turn off lights and electronic that are not used. Yang ketiga, house environmental mentality friendly transportation. Walking, cycling or public transportation. Yang keempat, don't throw garbage in the river. It directly contributes to flooding. As a society, pertama, dual movement to plant trees in our neighborhood. Kedua, participate in the river or beach cleaning program. Tiga, family and friend education about the importance of conservation. As the young generation, pertama, pressure the government and companies for sticker environmental policy. Yang kedua, support business that are committed to sustainability. Yang ketiga, so an example our small action can be a big inspiration. Sekian dari saya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.